you ever had one of those mornings where everything goes wrong at the same time? Your alarm doesn't go off, you wake up late, and suddenly you're rushing, stressed, and trying to explain yourself in English at work. For many English learners, this situation is especially difficult, not just because you're late, but because you need to explain clearly, politely, and confidently. You might wonder, what should I say? Or what if I say it the wrong way?
That's exactly why today's conversation will help you. We're going to practice a very real-life situation, arriving late to work and explaining what happened. You'll learn natural phrases, how to sound professional, and how to stay calm even when things don't go as planned.
By the end of this conversation, you'll feel more confident handling this situation in English, whether it's with your boss, a colleague, or even during an important meeting. I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through real-life conversations like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel. All right, let's get started.
Hey, Leo. Good morning.
Morning, Anna. I was just about to message you. Everything okay?
Yeah, well, not exactly. I'm really sorry. I'm running late today.
I see. You sound a bit stressed. What happened?
It's been one of those mornings where everything goes wrong. My alarm didn't go off, and I woke up almost an hour later than usual.
That's frustrating. That kind of thing can really throw off your whole day.
Exactly. I jumped out of bed, got ready as fast as I could, but then traffic was worse than usual.
Got it. So it wasn't just one problem, it was a combination of things.
Right, and that made it even harder to manage. I tried to leave quickly, but by the time I got on the road, it was already peak traffic.
That makes sense. Are you still on your way now?
Yes, I'm actually about 10 minutes away. I just wanted to let you know before I arrive.
I appreciate that. It's always good to communicate early instead of just showing up late without saying anything.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. I didn't want anyone to wonder where I was.
That's a good instinct. So do you need help catching up once you get here?
That would be great, actually. Did I miss anything important this morning?
We had a quick team check-in, but nothing major. We mainly reviewed today's tasks and deadlines.
Okay, that's a relief. I was worried I missed something critical.
No, nothing like that. But we do have a client call in about 30 minutes.
Oh, right. Thanks for reminding me. I'll go straight to my desk and prepare as soon as I arrive.
Sounds good.
By the way, Leo, can I ask you something quickly?
Of course.
When I speak to our manager, what's the best way to explain being late without sounding unprofessional?
Good question. You want to keep it simple and honest. For example, you can say, I apologize for being late. I had an issue this morning, but I'm here now and ready to work.
I see. So I don't need to explain every small detail?
Exactly. Keep it clear and respectful. You can add a short reason if necessary, but don't over-explain.
That makes sense.
Also, using the phrase, I apologize, sounds more professional than just saying sorry.
Oh, that's helpful. So I apologize for being late sounds better in a work setting.
Right, especially in formal situations. It shows responsibility and professionalism.
Got it. I'll use that. Okay, I just parked. I'll be inside in a minute.
Perfect. Take your time, but don't worry too much. These things happen.
Thanks, Leo. I really appreciate your understanding.
No problem at all. See you in a bit.
Hi, Leo.
Hey, Anna. Glad you made it.
Thanks. I came as quickly as I could.
You look like you rushed. Are you okay now?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just a bit out of breath, but I'll settle down in a minute.
Take a moment. Grab some water if you need it.
I will. All right, I think I'm ready. I'm going to talk to the manager now.
Sounds good. You've got this. Just keep it simple.
Okay.
Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Paul. I apologize for being late today. I had an issue this morning, but I'm here now and ready to start.
Thank you for letting me know. Is everything all right?
Yes, everything is fine now. It was just an unexpected delay.
Understood. Please make sure it doesn't happen frequently.
Of course. I'll make sure to plan better moving forward.
All right. Let's continue with today's work.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I'll get started right away and I'll be all caught up after this.
Nice job. That sounded clear and professional.
Really? I was a bit nervous.
You handled it well. You were direct, polite, and confident.
That's good to hear. I was a bit unsure about how I explained it.
No, you did well. Saying unexpected delay was a great choice. It sounded very natural.
Really? I wasn't sure if that sounded professional enough.
It definitely does. Unexpected means something you didn't plan, and delay means something made you late. Together, it's a simple and clear way to explain the situation.
I see. That makes sense. So it's a safe phrase to use at work?
Exactly. It's polite, neutral, and professional. You can use it in many situations.
Got it. I'll keep using that next time.
All right, now let's get you ready for the client call.
Right. What do I need to know?
We're discussing the new project timeline. The client wants a quicker delivery, so we may need to adjust our schedule.
I see. That might be challenging.
It could be, but we'll go through it together.
Sounds good. Thanks again for helping me this morning, Leo.
Of course, we all have days like this.
That's true. I guess the important thing is how we handle it.
Exactly. Staying calm, communicating clearly, and taking responsibility. That's what matters.
Right. That makes sense.
All right, ready for the call?
Ready. Let's do it. And that brings us to the end of today's conversation.
Today, you practiced how to explain being late for work in a clear, calm, and professional way.
Remember, situations like this happen to everyone. The key is to stay honest, keep your explanations simple, and speak with confidence.
And don't forget, it's always okay to ask for clarification, take your time, and choose your words carefully.
If you found this conversation helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and little by little, your confidence will grow.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next video. Take care.